First Rizal Monument. Standing proudly in Daet, the capital of Camarines Norte, this monument holds immense historical significance as the very first memorial dedicated to the Philippine national hero, Dr. Jose Rizal. Unveiled on December 30, 1898, just 2 years after Rizal's execution, its early construction reflects the profound impact Rizal had on the burgeoning Filipino nationalist sentiment. The 1961 historical marker and the subsequent 2008 declaration as national monument underscore its enduring importance in the nation's historical narrative. It serves as a powerful symbol of the early recognition of Rizal's martyrdom and his contributions to the fight for Philippine independence. Martir ng Camarines Norte, Martyrs of Camarines Norte. This monument in Daet serves as a solemn reminder of the bravery and sacrifice of the Katipunan revolutionaries from Camarines Norte, who gave their lives in the pursuit of Philippine independence in 1898. The Katipunan, a secret society, played a crucial role in initiating the armed struggle against Spanish colonial rule. This monument honors the local heroes who answered the call to arms and fought for the ideals of freedom and self-determination. The historical marker, installed on June 23, 1992, ensures that their courage and martyrdom are never forgotten. Bahay ni Wenceslao Vinsons, Wenceslao Vinsons House. Situated in the town named after him, Vinsons, this building served as the residence of one of Bicol's most celebrated heroes, Wenceslao Q. Vinsons. A brilliant orator, lawyer, and staunch nationalist, Vinsons played a crucial role in the resistance movement during World War II. Even before the formal Japanese occupation, he actively organized local defense units. This house would have been a center of his activities and planning. The NHCP's installation of a declaration marker on September 28, 2024 further solidifies its place in history, recognizing the significance of this dwelling in the life and work of a true patriot. Birthplace of Wenceslao Q. Vinsons. Marked with a historical marker in 1950, this site in Vinsons commemorates the exact location where Wenceslao Q. Vinsons was born on September 28, 1910. The marker serves as a tribute to his remarkable life journey, from his humble beginnings to becoming a prominent figure in Philippine politics and a key leader in the anti-Japanese resistance. His early life in this town undoubtedly shaped his character and instilled in him the values that would later drive his patriotic actions. He even served as the governor of Camarines Sur in 1940, showcasing his leadership capabilities before the war. Simbahang San Pedro Apostol, St. Peter the Apostle Church. Located in the town of Vinsons, the church holds the distinction of being the oldest church in Camarines Norte, a testament to the early Spanish colonization and evangelization efforts in the area. The establishment of the town in 1581 coincides with the likely founding of this house of worship by the Franciscan missionaries. The historical marker installed on June 29, 1980 recognizes its enduring presence as a significant religious and historical landmark in the province, witnessing centuries of community life and faith. 15 Martir ng Bicol, 15 Martyrs of Bicol Monument, Naga City. This monument stands as a solemn reminder of the 15 Bicolanos who were martyred for their involvement in the Philippine Revolution against Spanish colonial rule. Their sacrifice is a testament to the region's significant contribution to the fight for Philippine independence. Jesse M. Robredo Monument Museum, Naga City. This monument and museum honor the late Jesse M. Robredo, a highly respected former mayor of Naga City and Secretary of the Interior and Local Government. His legacy is one of good governance, participatory democracy, and dedication to public service, making him a significant figure in contemporary Philippine history. Cathedral of Naga, the first erection in 1595, establishes the Cathedral of Naga as the center of the Catholic faith in Bicol region. The present structure, built between 1808 and 1843, showcases a later architectural style and stands as a grand testament to the enduring influence of the church in the area. It has served as the seat of the Archdiocese of Cáceres for centuries. San Francisco Church, Naga City. Erected in the same year as Nabuas Church, 1578. The San Francisco Church in Naga played a pivotal role in the region's history. The surrender of the last Spanish governor here in 1898 marks the end of the Spanish rule in Ambos Camarines, making it a significant site in the Philippine Revolution. Church of Nuestra Señora de Peña Francia, Minor Basilica. The early church, built around 1711, marks the beginnings of the devotion to Our Lady of Peña Francia, the patroness of the Bicol region. The evolution of this site into a minor basilica underscores its immense religious and cultural importance, drawing pilgrims from all over. Thank you for exploring these remarkable historical sites recognized by the NHCP. Their preservation reminds us of our rich cultural heritage and the stories that shaped our nation. Let's continue to appreciate and protect our history for future generations.